You know your vacation is good when you are three different shades of brown and it's been 15 days since you are back. Anyways, in this video, we are going to be looking at 13,000 worth of makeup and skincare that I recently got during the Black Friday sale. Now, just a disclaimer, all of these things are going to work with me for the next 2 or 3 years. These are the things that I've invested money in that I know are going to be good. Let's get started. The 13,000 does not include this cute bag. We got this from a different place. I will start from probably the most expensive thing that I got, and that has to be one, two, and three. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, the Clinique Moisturizer, and the eye cream. I have justification for every single thing. This thing has been the only cleansing balm that I've been using to get rid of my makeup. This is actually a stock up. I've been using this one for the past 4 years now, 4 5 years, and I'm still left with this much of it. If you know, this thing is going to last me another good 2 weeks. You need very little of it. There was a buy two get one discount going on Nykaa and Shoppers Stop for Clinique stuff, but for some reason Nykaa was expensive. These three were coming down to 9,000 rupees on Nykaa, but I got this for 8,000. The same thing for 8,000 on Shoppers Stop. I don't know what's up with Nykaa and the Nykaa store. The Nykaa store experience for me has always been very bad. They do not bother being with you that well. So I just walked out as soon as I saw the price difference. Anyways, this is the next one. This is the hydrating moisturizer from Clinique. I had a sample of this. I loved it so much, so I decided that I'll take this one. This is also going to last me a good, if not a year, a good 6 months. A little goes a long way with this as well, and this, it's very good. And then I got this eye cream. Out of all three of these, this was the most expensive one. I do have dry under eyes. The next thing I got is, actually I wanted to switch my eyeshadow palette. I have one by Jeffree Star, which I love a lot. It's beautiful. And I had one more which was from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. They make amazing glitter eyeshadows. Their color eyeshadows are a little patchy, but this is the Flawless Affinity eyeshadow palette. I got it for 1250 rupees, and this is the color scheme, if you can see. Can't wait to try this out. I will finally switch to this and get rid of the old ones. They started smelling, so I knew I have to change it. And with this, I got this one for free. This is the Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Express. Has some beautiful shades in there. This would be something that I wear on daily basis because it has got browns, and there is this shimmer shade, some peach and stuff. So yes, we'll be getting a lot of use out of it. I got hair care also. I got the Beautiful Curls by Dove, the shampoo, conditioner, the hair mask, and also the serum. So I am getting more into taking care of my hair. I do get quite messy with it. I do not take care of it that often, but I've decided this year I'm going to be doing that. Let's move to the Nykaa eye pencils. So this one was on buy one get one free. So the Nykaa Black Friday sale runs for a long time, right? And in between, when the actual sale was going on online, I had visited a offline store for some reason. I think it was in Lifestyle or Shopper Stop, some place like that, and they had the buy two get one free. Now I don't really need a lot of makeup because this in itself is quite a lot, and I do have a small collection myself. So buying three things from Nykaa, I didn't really want to do it. I do really like these eye pencils. They were in the liner form, which I didn't buy because I didn't need them back then. And she was offering these two shades to me on the full price thing, and I literally reached home, ordered these for buy one get one. So a loss on their side, but I'm not going to be swatching any of these. I have not done that even now, but these are beautiful. So this is the Nykaa Stardust Chrome eyeshadow, Chrome eye pencil. I have the shades I Am Glitching and IRL URL IRL. Both of these are amazing shades. Okay, next up we have, this is the single most expensive thing in this entire haul. This is the Nude Sticks palette. So this has a eyeshadow, a blush, and a lipstick in this teeny tiny container. And I remember this was for somewhere around 2100 rupees or 2400 rupees or something like that. So you have a case like this, and then inside you have these tiny pencils, and it comes with a sharpener. Again, as you can see, I've not opened it at all. I do not want to open it right now. I will be sitting down one day and giving this a go. I've heard that Nude Sticks is going to go out of business or something like that, so I was like, I better get it before it goes out of stock or out of business. Next up, I had purchased these four things. It came as a combo from this brand called Laneige, I'm not sure. So you have the milky toner, the sunscreen, the lip balm, and another lip balm, but this is a lip sleeping mask. I love the lip sleeping mask. I have it. I'm using one already. That was my sister, so thank you for that. I love this, so I know that I'm going to love the lip balm also. Currently I'm using the Indie lip balm. Not really a fan of it. I don't understand the hype around it. It's a little too expensive for what it does. It is very similar to your Himalaya lip balm. I know it does not do anything for me at all. I don't have super dry lips. I do not have super chapped lips. But this, for some reason, does not do anything at all to my lips, rather than just adding a layer of like gloss or something like that. I don't like it. I have the chumpy hair oil also. It's good. It is somewhere in between your coconut oil texture and Livon texture. It's somewhere in between. It smells very good, like your entire house is going to smell very good, but it does not do anything at all. So I don't know what the hype of it is also, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, coming back to this, I am super excited to try them. This would be the first time I would be trying Laneige products, so super excited. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Next is going to be restock. So I wanted a compact powder. I do not put foundation on everyday basis. I do have concealer every now and then whenever I go to office, and I have to set my under eyes because I am oily skin type. I need a good compact. The one that I was using so far is from K Beauty, and I hit pan. I finished it completely. I didn't want to go back to K Beauty. I wanted to stick to this one, and the reason for that is I already have the MAC powder foundation which I want to complete, because I have a pan on that also, but I do not use it because I have these things out. So I want to complete that also, and I want to use this for lighter days if there are chances that I cannot use it on everyday basis. In office I don't want it because it is good full coverage compact. So yes, this one is quite similar to my skin tone as well. So oh, looks a little dark. Okay, we should be able to manage. I have been very conscious while buying these things because I'm super aware of the waste that gets generated, and also of the things that I would be able to use in one lifetime. I already have around 3 blushes, don't need any more of them, even though I'm about to hit pan on one from K Beauty that I'm using. I am oily skin type, so I cannot use a lot of cream stuff because then it just will make the entire thing look more shiny. My face gets shiny as soon as I'm done with makeup, so I don't need any highlighters, but I still have two. So I consciously didn't buy any highlighters even though I wanted to test one out. I have enough black kajals, enough colored kajals, that is why I didn't buy them. And I bought these. I was very in second thoughts with myself because I do not really need them, but I got it because I really wanted. This was something that I really wanted, so that is why I got this. But none of the things that you've seen so far are something that's I got because it's trending or because I don't have it and everyone else does. I do not do any of these things. None of these things were actually something recommended by influencers. I stopped believing in the recommendations that come from influencers because half of the times they are paid, or the other times they're just doing it because they are going to get commissions out of it. I do not trust them at all. Very good. Okay. Anyways, next up is this. This is the Fix My Curls Frizz Control Stick. I have this thing like this, right? So now my hair is oily, so you cannot see it much, but I get a lot of this flyaways come here, so I just want to slick it back. Sometimes I don't want it to come out. So yeah, this is a good stick, and this is good to carry also. Actually, I wanted to take this with me to Varkala, but it didn't reach on time. So yeah, I was like, okay, whatever. And with this order, with this thing, I also got Foxtail, the what did I get? I got the face wash, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So along with that order, I got this Smashbox Halo moisturizer sample. This is a little. This looks like my shade, so we'll get good use out of it. Innovist, what was it? Yes. Chemist at Play had this sale running with buy two get three free, buy one get two, buy one get three free. I think so. Yeah, buy one get three free, crazy discount. That is when I got body wash. I do not. We had run out of body washes, so I got this one. This is the salicylic acid, 1% salicylic acid body wash. This is the daily exfoliating body wash. This is going to be of good use to me because we're still not out of the tan. And I got this one for free. This is the lip balm. So lots of lip balm now. I don't know, it's fun pair of lips, lots of lip balm. And I also had the face wash, which I'm currently using. So I was out of face wash also, so I got the face wash. That is also the daily exfoliating face wash. It's quite good. I don't really have any hard feelings about it. It does what it's supposed to do. Does it well. And then I have finally gotten my hands on the glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner from The Ordinary. I have gotten this primarily for my dandruff. So during the winter times, my scalp gets extremely dry. So as soon as I see the first flake, I know that winter has started for me. I will be trying this. Hopefully this works out. I've seen a lot of people getting rashes also because of that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, just one tiny thing that I want to show you. So for Secret Santa at my office, I had asked for a Swiss Beauty, the stick, the glow stick thingy. It's called Worse Jelly Glow Stick. Yeah, I got the name right. I had one from Mars, which was just one and done eyeshadow. So it was a liquid eyeshadow, but that transfers a lot as soon as you keep your eyes open for far too long, and then it just transfers and everything comes down on your crease. So I didn't like it that much, but it looks beautiful on your eyes. So I had used it up and it's completely dry now. I wanted to have something else which can replace it, and this is what this is the shade that I had asked. This is a golden shade. This is what it looks like. The sun is being nice to me. So yeah, this looks beautiful. It's very cooling when you apply it on your eyes. This was also the only thing that I just got because I am out of things and I want to test something out. But other than that, everything else is a necessity. Everything else is something that I'll be using, and none of these things are going to get क्या हुआ ये बंद क्यों नहीं हो रहा है हाँ none of these things are going to get over just like that, right? I have the shampoo conditioner, which is going to take a while to be over. The Clinique, I do not even need to mention, it's going to take forever. So the next time I buy Clinique is going to be in 2030. That's how long these things last. At least the Take the Day of Balm for sure. I'm not sure of the eye cream or the moisturizer. I would not be needing a lot of moisturizer also because I have a prescription moisturizer coming in my life very soon. There are a lot of things that are happening in 2026 and I'm super excited for it. I am undergoing a few treatments and I am making some big financial decisions this year. I started this channel back in 2025, not really thinking of what is going to be the outcome, but I am planning on creating content and sharing my experiences on this channel. I already have another channel where I teach technical stuff and I'm sharing my technical journey there. I hope 2026 we are able to grow, have a big family who is helping each other out in not making bad decisions like I have, especially when it comes to makeup. only when it comes to makeup and trusting people. The few things like the foxtail stuff that I could not show you is because it's already in use, and that was for my parents. That's it. I will be showing you my makeup collection really soon. You're going to be surprised with the amount of things that I have. I have good amount of things. It's decent for a single person. I'm not crazy into collecting things, because these things expire, these things start smelling also, and that is one of the reasons why you do not see any lipsticks in today's haul, because I have ample amount of it. And when I swatched all of those a few days back, I realized that they look more or less same on the hands itself. So when it's on the lips, it's going to look the same. Given that I have two-tone lips which are very different from each other, if I have a lighter shade on my lower lip and a darker and the same shade here, it's going to be two shades either ways. So yeah, that is that. I'll see you in the next video really soon. Bye bye.